This is Eric with your Cryptex update. As you can see, for those of you in the comments asking where you can join, you click on cryptexreview.com in the description in the video link below and click on this. You will come to this and you will see that you can sign up very easily and simply. Put a good email in with a good password because you're going to need this email when you want to extract Bitcoin from your wallet. They will want to email you to ask you if you did make a withdrawal. Okay, so make sure you do that. And let's get back into my back office and show you what has been happening in a little brief update. Now, as you can see here, these are individual daily profits, 62, 62, and so forth and so on. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 5 at about $62 or so, $60. That's 360. Plus we have 365 on this one big package. So that's about $700 a day consistently. Now, that's not all that I'm making, but that is what I'm making with the actual contract purchases, okay? When it comes to referrals, that's a different situation, okay? As I've told you before, these are my actual profits in the actual staking, and that's about $700 a day versus where I'm in the referral staking, and I'm obviously making probably $800 to $900, maybe $1,000 a day just in referrals, okay? And to take a look at the referrals really quickly, the program is real simple, okay? You earn first line direct referrals and then second through 29 direct referrals. That means that if you sign someone up directly, whoever signs up under them is a level 2, and then under that person's a level 3 for you, and so forth and so on and so on, okay? And as you'll be able to see here in the referral program, here are the percentages, between 30 and 90% depending on, and then the second level is 5% on down, and that actually includes the contract agreement. So say, for instance, somebody comes under me and then they have somebody buy a contract under them. Well, I get 5% of that $100, which I get $5 every time somebody does that on levels down all the way to 10. Okay, and then also rewards from daily profits. Now, this is the referral rewards that goes into your staking platform. So level 1, whoever signs under me directly is, and they purchase a contract, whatever they're earning on that contract on a daily basis. Say, for instance, as an example, I'm earning $60 a day on each contract. Well, actually, I get 8% of that in a referral. Okay, that's where that's actually coming from. Level 2, level 3, and so forth changes a little bit, and it goes all the way to level 20 at 1%, okay, which is still really good. So $60 at 8%, most people would say, well, Eric, that's not very much. Well, it's still about $4.80 a day just on one contract, okay? So that's where I get the commissions right here, okay? So in actuality, as you can see, the referral program is worth more probably than the actual profits from staking in Cryptex, okay? Now, some of you in the comments have said, well, you know, we don't know exactly where this platform is going. Well, all I can say that this platform has been in existence for quite a while now, and if their platform and processes and percentages of affiliate commissions was not working, then they would have already shut down at this point. Okay, so there's no way that they could have continued without having a reputable and reasonable way of processing everything. And let's go one more thing to my withdrawal overview. Now, I haven't withdrawn that much out of this platform. I put everything into it. And I can say with 100% certainty that I have received every single withdrawal made. Sometimes it takes 24 to 48 hours, but I've had a $500 withdrawal, a $475, a $747, a $305, a $230, and a $175 at this point, okay? So they have connected with me each and every time to ask and make sure that I have made a withdrawal. I always state yes in my email. And this platform, if you want to turn $100 in a contract fee into Bitcoin that comes to you in the near future, instead of maybe going to a casino and blowing that $100 in 5 minutes on the blackjack table, which there are many people that are trying to do that, thinking that they might get lucky. It's really important that you understand what Bitcoin is doing. It's going nowhere. It's staying here. It's staying here for good. And it's probably going to be at $100,000 within the next 6 months or less. Okay. So click on the link in the description below. You'll go to this review, cryptexreview.com. Click on the free to join. Get started today. And I will see you on the next video.